What is going on, traders? Hope you guys crushed it today. I just got back from Manhattan. We shot episode number 2 for Spy Talk. If you have not seen episode 1, the link will be in the bio. When it comes to the Black Friday sale, we have a couple spots left. We have 5 spots left for the yearly subscriptions, and we have 9 spots left for the monthly subscriptions. If you'd like to take advantage of it, link is in the bio. Let's get into it. So I wasn't able to make a video on Friday, so I ended up going live last minute today to YouTube for the trading hours. I like to go do once every 2 weeks, twice, 3 times a month. Go live on YouTube. I show you guys how we trade, what the Discord's about, and exactly what you will be getting once you subscribe. So I ended up staying online today. We hit a couple trades. If you would like to see that video, it will be under the live section for today. So let's go. First things first, big shout out to one of my good friends, Dimitri, and my stock father, Jim C. They ended up alerting puts at the exact high of the day, guys. I did not get this. I'm going to tell you exactly why I did not enter. These guys are professional, so their entries and exits are picture perfect. So they ended up alerting it here live on the Discord. I did not get in because I'm going to tell you exactly why. We have 3 gaps to fill on SPY right now. We have the close from yesterday, the previous close at 454.48. We still have 456.48 gap not filled, and we also have a lower gap at 453.27 that has not been filled. I was very patient today. I was taking my time. I didn't hit the puts first thing in the morning, but I ended up getting calls at the exact low of the day, guys. I hit my small account here and ended up hitting my small account on these puts too. I'm going to show you right now. I made $100 today on the small account. It doesn't matter about how much money you make, guys, and how big the play is. As long as you're green, your account is going to compound. I was able to identify I did not like the price action today. I made 2 quick plays, ended up making $100 on the small account. It is what it is. I'm happy I ended up doing that because if I would have kept shorting this, guys, I probably would have lost money, to be completely honest. The second trade I ended up taking, guys, was in my big account. So I closed my small account. I went into my big account. I caught calls. When we used support at 453.67, I bought this. I made over $2,000 on this trade. I told the Discord, the best setups, guys, are going to be the gap fills for the day. I ended up shorting right here. We broke through the previous close. I shorted again. After I was up $2,000 on the day, I entered again. This bar right here, I ended up losing like $1,700. So I went up 2,000 and then I lost 17. So I ended up only making just under $300 on the day. That was my fault. I made a big profit right here. And you know what, guys? That happens. Bars like this happen. There's nothing you can do about it. I waited for the best level. I was telling everyone to wait for the previous close. That is going to be the best level because why? This was yesterday's support and it was pre-market resistance. We gapped down, we came up to it. Usually SPY 9 out of 10 times will reject from it, and today was just one of those crazy days that it just kept ripping. So I stopped out of here. My big account was only up 300 on the day. I'm not complaining. It's still good money. It's better than being red, okay? And then I ended up switching to my futures account, my funded account. So I ended up taking puts literally at the exact high of this candle. I will show you that right now. I started this account with 300,000 USD, and I'm currently sitting at 307,105. I made $1,700 on the day on my funded account, and as soon as I made that, guess what? I closed that again too. That's all the trades I made today. You see what I'm doing, guys? I'm making money and I'm closing the account. I'm making money. I'm entering another trade. Oh, I lost. Okay, closing that account. I'm still green on the day. Open my next account. I short the high. I make my money for the day and I'm done. I walked away. I went to the gym, guys. I'm not waiting around and getting caught up in these plays. So it was a successful day overall. I could have been up on over $2,000 more, but you know what? Bars like this, it happens, right? There's nothing we can do about it. It's just the price action, and there was news going on at that time. There was speakers speaking, so it is what it is, okay? I'm still green on all 3 accounts, so I can't complain. I'm very blessed. Let's get into the upcoming game plan for tomorrow. So, as I told everyone, 455 is what we're going to have big eyes on, okay? 455 is one of the key levels that we've been watching. It is the resistance from yesterday. It's the resistance from today. It was the support of Friday, and it was also the support of Thursday. This is why 455, put this on your chart. This is the major key level we are going to be watching. After that, guys, we are going to be paying attention to the gap fills. These both red lines are gaps that have not filled. So put 456.48 on your chart. This is a gap we have not filled, as well as 453.27. So add that to your chart as well. The micro levels we're going to be playing from these gaps, like there's different types of plays, guys. There's like high quality plays, and then there's price action plays. And there's big key levels and small key levels. So the biggest key level we're going to be watching is 455, as well as the two gaps. After that, we're going to be going down to 453.67. If you look, this is what we use as support today with big upside. Great big upside potential at 453.67. Once we make this a resistance, there's a big sell-off. So 455, 453.67, the two gaps is what I'm going to be paying attention to, as well as the previous close, since we closed pretty much flat. So I'm going to go make a level right now for the previous close. We ended up closing at, I'm not even going to make it, okay, because it's 455. If it goes to 454.93, guys, it's going to hit 455. That's the level we're going to be watching. That is the game plan, guys. Remember, if you did not watch the podcast, the link will be in the bio, and the Black Friday sale ends on Friday. I appreciate all you guys. We finally hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm so happy. I'm so blessed. Thank you guys for taking your time out and subscribing, liking and subscribing, and watching the videos. It means a lot to me, guys. I started doing YouTube over under a year ago, honestly. It's been around like 8 months, I think, 7 or 8 months. And the fact that we're already at 1,000 subscribers is mind-blowing. So I appreciate all of you guys. If you would like to stay up to date, I post a video Monday to Friday and on Sundays every single day. There is exceptions, especially if we're shooting a podcast. We will be in Miami December 8th, and we will be recording episode 3. I'm very pumped for you guys to see that, so stay tuned. I will see everyone tomorrow in the pre-market, 9 a.m. Eastern time, as well as market open for the Discord. Thank you guys so much for your time. I appreciate it, and stay green.